HCF and LCM of polynomials. Guess we have no problem of finding the HCF and LCM of 24 and 90. We may use a listing method, write down the prime factorizations of numbers, and then to find the HCF, we find the common factors. Okay, you see that 2 and 2 to the power 3, the common factor should be 2. And then 3 and 3 to the power 2, the common factor is 3. And then 5 and 1, no other common factor. So the HCF equals to 2 times 3. This is the highest common factor. Sometimes we call it the greatest common divisor, GCD. Now for LCM, the lowest common multiple. So we also find something in common, multiple. So you see 2 and 2 to the power 3. Common multiple should be 2 to the power 3. And then 3 and 3 to the power 2, the common multiple should be 3 to the power 2. And then 5, actually here 1, 5 and 1, multiple 5. Okay, so the LCM is the product of three numbers. How about we are dealing with polynomials? In this case, polynomials of PQ and R. What are the HCF and LCM of A, B, and C? A, B, C are polynomials, and we have factor of polynomials. So we can talk about common factors, common multiples. So what are they? For HCF, we look at factors. Let's say P to the power 2 and P to the power 3, P to the power 4. So P to the power 2 is a common factor of three expressions. So you should take P to the power 2. And then look at Q. Now you have Q to the power 5, power 1, and power 3. So which is the common factor? Right? Should be Q to the power 1. And then R. So you R squared, R cubed, but no other R. So R is not the common factor. So to find the highest common factor, we look at actually the smallest power. You see power of P, 2, 3, and 4. So we write 2. And then you look at the power of 5, Q, it should be 5, 1, and 3. So we look at the lowest number, that is 1. So we can write down HCF. Okay, now for LCM, we look at P. Now we have P to the power 2, 3, and 4. So which one you choose to be the common multiple? Should be P to the power 4. Because P to the power 2 multiply P to the power 2 is P to the power 4. P to the power 3 multiply P make P to the power 4. So P to the power 4 is the common multiple. And then Q. So you have power 5, 1, and 3. So which one you choose to be the common multiple? Should be the largest one, 5. Okay, so R. So we have R2, R3, and what? We don't have R in the expression C, but actually you have R to the power 0 or whatever. So you should take the highest one. So this should be R to the power 3. And you check R to the power 2 can make R to the power 3 by multiply R. Also, R to the power 0 multiply R to the power 3 equals R to the power 3. So we can write down the LCM like this.